Mrs. Kelletso is asking me, Sham, what is the list of equipment and material I need in my restaurant to get started? We're going to cover that as long as how you can get good deals on them in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. Hello everybody, my name is Sham, known in the community as the responsible restaurant owner. And since 2008, I've been helping people open and run restaurants out of the Silicon Valley, California, my restaurants as well. And toward the end of 2017, I said, you know what, I'm just going to reach out to the international community and see how I can do to help. Why? Because when I started, well, lots of people tried to discourage me. You always heard, oh, 90% of all the restaurants fail within the first 2 years. Why? Because they don't know that it's a business, that there is consistent and repeatable processes. And it's just a matter of going out there and blowing money. It's a matter of finding the right deal. That's what being an entrepreneur is, going against all odds. Lots of entrepreneurs do fail, but you being here and actually seeking proper knowledge is step number one toward your success. So thank you so much for being here. Here is the thing, guys. You'll be amazed at how many restaurant owners are ready to upgrade their current equipment. When you first go and open your first restaurant, try to have as much used equipment as possible. Why? Because it's just cheaper, for goodness gracious. Make sure that there is some kind of a warranty of it if you buy it and if you can get it. Most used equipment is going to come as is. Have a proper technician come and have a look at it, and you'll be amazed at how much money you can save. Also, a big mistake lots of future restaurant owners make when it comes to building their restaurant, they start developing the menu, then they think about the equipment. So when actually I think it has been done the other way. If the only restaurant you can afford at the time you're ready to launch into this business does not give you certain pieces of equipment to do some of your signature dishes, well, be creative about it and build a menu where you can maximize the profitability from the equipment you can put your hands on. Another thing that I will definitely recommend to do, and I know that for lots of us it's always good to go watch a movie or go to whatever social activity you do, but I want to invite you to do something different and go to check out used restaurants equipment, wholesalers. Google it. They should be in your city, in your environment, a place that sells used equipment, and have fun with it. You can even go and look at the brand new equipment. It's amazing how much education you're gonna get about maintenance, about cost. And you know, when you're gonna go to these stores, those people are gonna want to sell you their stuff, and it's normal. That's what they do. Use that as your moment to get educated about the industry, about the product, about the maintenance. I know that you do seek a list of information, so as I said, on the comment section of this video, I'm going to put a couple of links to my friend from Monkey Kitchen. You're going to see, you're going to enjoy this video, and she will cover the list of every single piece of equipment you want. For the ones that prefer to read, I will also go ahead and type the list of every single piece of equipment you may ever need. You know, I like to focus on the guerrilla part of this restaurant industry. Why so many restaurants fail? Because they put the money in the wrong place. My goal is to help 300 restaurant owners open and run their first successful restaurant in the next 5 years, and you get to do that by celebrating your 3-year anniversary. Most restaurants do fail in the first 2 years because they're spending their money in the wrong place, and spending money on brand new equipment when you have zero experience in the restaurant industry, I think is not very smart. I'm sorry. So if you're already in the trenches and you already have brand new equipment, good for you. But kitchen equipment is like a car. As soon as you turn it on the first time, the value of it will decrease amazingly. And I think that's what I wanted to say about how to buy proper kitchen equipment. Also, another thing, everybody's gonna want your business. I hope that you're at least 6 months away from opening your restaurant. If you are sooner than that, no problem, boss. Congratulations and welcome to the team. Please do shoot me an email on my website, www.theresponsiblerestaurantowner. Let's see what we can do to help each other. If you have a little bit more time, you know, once you're going to turn on the key, once you're going to start the painting, once you're going to be literally in the brick and mortar business, vendors are going to start flooding your way from everywhere. These vendors want your business to succeed because the more successful you are, the higher the chances of you actually giving them some of your money for their services. They will be more than willing to provide you free equipment, free glasses, free cups, free umbrellas, free tables, free table tent. They will help spread the word about your restaurant. So many different vendors have developed this skill of actually getting your business. So be kind to use that, be smart to use that. But here is the thing, once you're gonna start literally being inside the brick and mortar business, It's going to start coming at you from everywhere. And I hope that you have very good discipline at blocking your time, and in order to filter out, get rid of the ugly, and work with the bad and focus on the good. I always like to say that. So those are a few tips on how you can pretty much get and learn about the list of equipment and material you need to have on your restaurant. Sister Kelly, so thank you so much. I'm so pumped up whenever I have a lady who actually reaches out, because the dream of entrepreneurship is real. And and I do believe that women can be amazingly successful at it, if not more than men, because they can stick to plan and the ego does not come in the picture. What do you think about it? Once again, this was Sham, known in the community as the responsible restaurant owner. Please be kind to like, to subscribe, and to share. And remember, until we meet again, the secret ingredient is love, baby. It's love.